Game. Once again, inuulit po natin ang magpa-final MVP bukod sa makukuhang final MVP awards ng ating pong paliga ay merong matatanggap na customized jersey at tumatangiting na 5,000 pesos na nanggaling sa YJ Sportswear Dicap Jabri Danao. So good luck po sa magpapay ng MVP at meron din pong regalong hatid ang Kuya Albon Center. Full body reset at meron din pong cash prizes. Third quarter of the game. And the jumper, no good by Bonbon. Jake Magalona puts her up. Wala pa rin. Sinong dadapot sa team ng Rosbo? Joshua Martinez, Jonas Kitlan. Pero ang mga tropang hindi maging marino. Pero sinisisit na po nila dito. 9 minutes and 42 seconds to go. Hindi kurso ang maging marino, pero sinisisid na po nila dito. So sana all magaling sumisid. And maraming salamat sa ating pong gwapong floor manager na si Kuyang number 10. So Posadas po si Sir Posadas. And thank you so much sa ating pong napaka-gwapo at napaka-humble na floor manager ngayong gabi. So we have only 10 seconds on the shot clock. El Banalang Eric Magbanwa going to Rinin Tabibe. Binigay doon kay JP Discaso. Arasing by RG Gabinete. Shot knock down to 3. Biglang pinuhol. Sa pool pero hindi bubukol. Put back. Bonbon. Basketball count. Good for 2 points. Unang makakabaklas ang team ng BCBN ng Amber Group sa ating pong third quarter. Defense. Offense. Defense. Offense. Depensa Team Crossboy. Offensa BCB. Ekang Amber Groups. Ball for the kick ball. Ball position Crossboy basketball. James basket na po tayo. 9 minutes and 20 seconds na natitira sa ating pong third quarter. Joshua Lapinit, Donas Kidlat, binigay doon sa passing na Furious. Ang magkasing wangis or magkasing hawig na pangalan mga kaibigan dahil sa bilis na tinataglay itong dalawang batang naglalaro sa team ng Rosboy. Joshua Lapinit at 3-point shot. At try to put it back. Basketball count. Good for 2 points. Team Rosboy. Defense. Offense. Defense. Offense, defense, Offensa, BCB, Ekang Amber, Defensa, Team Rosboy, a 3-point shot, no good, and huli! Bonbon, put back, still no good again, wala pa rin nadali. Last touch by Bonbon, Rosboy basketball. Time left remaining 8 minutes and 38 seconds to go. Defense, offense, defense, Offensa, Rosboy, Defensa, BCB, Ekang Amber Group sa 3D. 8 minuto 20 segundo tatakbo sa ating pong third quarter. Pero jersey number 12 ko rin yung Taribe. At gawa ng bola sinong dadapod. At Joshua Lapinit daw na skitlat ng bayan ng Nara Lalawigang Palawan. Abdul Danao, 3-pointer, no good again. Hindi pa rin madali-dali. Itong batang si Christian Angelo Abdul Danao ng bayang Nara. Number 23. At there's a whistle sounds blow according to the shading referee. All against winning jersey number 72. Joshua Lapinit hit to the hand, 2 free throws, substitution rep. Jade Magalona, number 88, out. Nino Calilo, number 26, known as the Baby Dinosaur, coming in. First personal foul by Joshua Lapinit. First team foul, Team Rosboy. Nasa third quarter na tayo. 2 minuto ang pinapaklas. Pero ang unang baklas pang the free throw, hindi papaldo ang Ilbana ng Eric Magbanwa ng Lalawigang Palawan. Last sila po ang free throw basketball count. Last 8 minutes. Defense. Offense. Defense. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 7 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Scoop in the lane. They're good by Gerson Plaza. Sasablay si Gerson Plaza sa magandang tikada sa team ng Rosboy. BCB Ekang Amber Cruz sa may tangan. With jersey number 13, JP Bullseye. Good for 2 points. This power play by JP Discaso was flow to us. Municipal Sports Coordinator, we have Masola Dagcaro at ng Nara Sports Development Unit. 7 minutes and 25, 50-60, down to 10-point lead. Shot clock down to 14. There's a Master Plaza, Omer Kurko. Walang matandaan mo si Joseph Blase, takbuhan ng team ng Rosboy. Number RT BCB Ekan, number 23, Elbanar Eric Magbanwa. Isang magandang dalawang ipapamanas itong batang si Ninyo Kalilong. Shot lock down to 10 seconds to go. We have only shot lock down to 8. Ball big, number 11 na wala ang bola. Sinong tatampot? But there's a whistle sounds blow. Lost the ribbon, number 22, the MVP, Janik Dagot coming in. Abdul out, number 7, Pablo Shasobo. 6 minutes and 51 seconds to go. This is game number 2 ng ating pong best of 3 series sa championship game ng ating bakbakan ng Mayor GPD and Sangguniang Bayan Open Invitational Basketball Tournament 2025 All Balawan. Justin Magbano may tangan ng bola. Siyang tatawid patungo sa kanilang brandboard. Justin Magbano, harasing by Jeric Tagot. Ang MVP ng Lalawigang Palawan, papagpagin itong Justin. Binigay doon kay Abdul. Pero jersey number 11, kick out. Julius Nariana, parang barangay Kalatiga. Siningin ng Palwa. Magpalwa, for 3. Nothing but net. That's good! For 3. 6 minutes and 23 seconds to go. JB Descalzo, push it up. Big goal. Basketball count. Good for 2 points. With only 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining, 52-63. Shot clock down to 18. Justin once again, 3-pointer. Justin! As a player, Justin Magbanwa for 3 points. 6 minutes. Defense. Ogesa DBCB Eka. Ogesa winning jersey number 33. Number 33, hit to the arm by RJ Gabinete. 2 free throw by JB Descalzo. Second personal foul by RJ Gabinete. 2 team fouls. Last 5 minutes and 53 seconds to go. Remaining time for the third quarter. So 2 free throw coming up for a possible 2 points by JB Descalzo, known as Kagambang Gising ng Lalawigang Palawan. That first free throw, no good by JB Descalzo. Sila final free throw, basketball count, good for 1. So pumasok mga kaibigan, kaya shoutout kay ating sumisigaw ng wala. Doon natin napagtanto na hindi lahat ng babae tama. 5 minutes and 48 seconds to go. Good for 1 point team of BCB Amber. We have only 10 seconds on the shot na 5 minutes and 40. With jersey number 11, Magbanwa, pull away, jumper, no good, hindi ba basket. Takbuhan na naman ng mga tropang BCB at ang Amber News of Trading. Lost to lost, Team BCB, all position, Rosboy Basketball. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 53-66. Abante pa rin ng mga tropang Team Rosboy. 12 puntos at may paaman pang isa. So 13 points ang tinatamasa ng team ng Rosboy dito. After the now, isang aliyong ang gagawin. Pero nagkakan pala yun. Sinimplihan lang. Good for 2 points by Abdul. Ang alam mo'y aliyo play pero sisimplihang tapon. 2 puntos pa rin ang muling tabaon. Outside game 3-pointer, hindi pa basket. 5 minutes! Justin! Basketball count! Lamang na po sa 17. Ang abante ng team ng Rosboy dito. We have only 4 minutes and 48. Stepping on the sideline. Stepping on the baseline. Ninyo Kalilong number 26. Subdivision Bunbun out number 88. Jay Magalona. Magbanwa number 23. Ivan Dagata coming in number 8 from Puerto Princesa. 4 minutes and 46 seconds to go. 53-70 ang natitirang oras sa ating pong third quarter. Christian Angelo, Abdul Danang may mga ng bola sa Minang Rosboy. Muling parang meron pa talagang game 3 na bibigay ng team ng Rosboy dito. 53-72. Patuloy na pong pag-angat ng 19. Ninyo Kalilong, Lawless na Baby Dinosaur. Hindi ka basket. Nelson Blase ang kukuha. Binigay doon kay Justin. Christian Angelo. Abdul Danao. 3-pointer. No good. Justin fake. Justin again. With jersey number 1. Harasing kay Ninyo Kalilong. Abdul Danao. 3-pointer. No good kay Abdul. Double play. 4 minutes. time, 53-72. Sa last touch, mga kaibigan, ang pride ng taga-barangay Calatigas is Julius Daliana. So, 4 na minuto, 1 segundo natitira sa ating pong third quarter. The score po natin is 53-72. Amat na po sa 19 puntos ang team ng Roseboy. Okay, so lamang na rin yung team ng Roseboy, pero nahabol ang team ng BCB. Pero titignan natin ngayon kung mahahabol pa ba ng BCB ang lamang ng team ng Roseboy sa ating third quarter. Ball position, BCB Egang Amber Blues Raining Basketball. Offensa, Defensa, Team Roseboy. Defense, Defense, Offense, Defensa. Lugo by Jerry Cabo. Ball by Jerry number 26, number 26, call for a push and foul, number 26. First personal foul by Nino Calino. First team ball, BCB Egang Amber Brutes. We have only 3 minutes and 48 seconds to go. Natitira ang oras sa ating basketball action. Ranger seat number 33, Archie Cabinete. Kick out going to Papa Sosoko, the Little Dynamite. Up to the now, taking shades, step back, and jumper, big goal! Magandang chemistry at magandang laruan ng team ng Roseboy. Talagang disinidong bumawi. 53-74 with only time left remaining. 3 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Ivan Dagdantan, numero 8 sa team ng BCB. Muling pumukol. Ivan Dagdantan, no good. Hindi naman sila taga-dagat pero patuloy po ang pagkaalat. Those were last 3 minutes and 12 seconds to go. Remaining time, ball position, team BCB Egang Amber Cruz. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Defense. To the steal by Pablo Sosoko, known as the Little Dynamite. Isang tap by Abdul Danao. Tablet remaining. Yes, Minutos. Trapilin violations. 53-74. 3 minutes and 2 seconds to go. Remaining time para sa ating basketball action for the third quarter. Ivan Dagdantan, binigay kay Jade Magalona. Jade Magalona biglang pinakol. Good by Jade. Battle for rebound silang dadapod. From linapakan pa rin. Jade Magalona, kick out. Pero alam na alam nitong Pablo Sosoko kung saan papunta yung bola. Angel Di Pasipil, isang cross-court pass ang bibitawan. Pero matakapit mga kaibigan by winning jersey number 26 na si Nino Calino. So last na sa morning commissioning referee Sir Armand Rabao. That's why goal position, substitution. Kalilong number 26 out, number 22, Renin Taribe, Budoy Kamiye. Defense, offense, then jersey number 10, Julius Daliana from Barangay Calatigas. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points from Barangay Calatigas na ang buto niya'y kumain ka ng ubas para bumalik siya bumas. 2 minutes and 28. Takbuhan na naman ang mga tropang Roseboy. Abdul! Good for 2 points! Celebration Angelo Abdul Danao. 53-78. 2 minutes and 15 for the third. Nasa third quarter pa lang po tayo ng ating basketball action. We have only shot clock down the court. Jerry! Lungkot ng tagot! Ayaw pa rin tanggapin. Pagkamat sa team ng Roseboy, talagang nasa proseso kahit anong tapon, bumabaon. But sa team ng BCB Egang, medyo anak gaming sila ngayong third quarter. Yun na naman si Angel, muling pupukol. Hindi sa call by Angel Di Pasupil. Last team of Roseboy, BCB Egang Amber Basketball. 148, Laksamana Basketball Cup, good for 2 points. Hindi matapos to, 55-78, 23 puntos na lang. So yung kanina po mga 75, so yan, 23 points na lang ang bagay ng team ng Roseboy. Alley play, Archie Cabinete, huli ni Laksamana yun. But there's Lisa Salzburg, last team BCB subdivision. Tagot number 7 out there, Bunbun coming in. Abdul out, Abdul Danao out, number 72, Joshua Lapinet coming in. Pagpahay ngayon itong si Abdul Danao mga kaibigan, wearing jersey number 11. Sa minuto 28, talagang hindi pinapagod itong batang Abdul Danao. So isa rin po sa mga motocross rider na matutukayan po natin bukas sa ating motocross competition. So abangan din po natin at ating din pong suportahan ang batang si Christian Angelo Abdul Danao. 123, 3-point shot, no good. Naksama na ang dadampot ng bola, winning jersey number 2, binigay ng Bunbon. Bunbon ay magdadang na 3-pointer. Pero naabot ng batang taga-barangay Kalatigas, tatawagan ng ating tagapamagitan patas number 10, hit to the arm, 3 free throws. So coming up number 8, Ivan Daganta. Julius Daliana from Barangay Kalatigas, this is your first personal foul and 3 deep fouls. 3 free throws coming up, winning jersey number 8, Ivan Daganta. Unang bigay, hindi pa rin umaray. Second free throw, winning jersey number 8, Ivan Daganta. Good pa rin. Last and final free throw. Last and final free throw by Ivan Daganta, number 8. Basketball count. 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. Time of the meeting, last 1 minute for the third quarter of the game. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Last 55 seconds. Shot clock down to 5. 3-pointer by RJ. No good by Gabinete. Good cut by Angel. Wala pa rin. 50 seconds to go. Third quarter of the shooting referee. Last substitution. Gabinete, number 33, RJ Gabinete out. Number 12, Gerson, the Master Blaser coming in. Last 46.4 seconds to go. Natitirang oras para po sa ating third quarter. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Last 45 seconds on the game clock. Shot clock down to 8. Gerson, the Master Blaser, kick out going to Angel Di Pasubi. The shot clock down to 4 seconds to go. 3 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds on the game clock. Caribe, 3-pointer. Good by Caribe. Number 77. Winning jersey number 77. Hit to the arm by Angel Di Pasubin, 25.8. Last 25.8 seconds to go. Remaining time para sa ating basketball action. Third quarter of the game. So first fraction mga kaibigan. Okay, sound check. So first fraction mga kaibigan, call for the hit to the arm number 77, Angel Di Pasubil. But pagkatapos po ng merong contact, so merong flop na nangyari doon sa laban sa 22 na si Taribe. So mabibituhan din po ng warning for the technical number 22, Taribe for flopping for picking a ball. So dahil pagkatapos po ng contact, delaying of the game po yung kay Kalilong. So once again mga kaibigan, first fraction, call for a hit to the arm number 77, Angel Di Pasupil. But pagkatapos ng contact, so merong pang nangyaring flop against Taripe. So mabibituhan din mga kaibigan, warning for a technical by Taripe for flopping for picking a ball. So yung flopping po na tinatawag, yun po yung pagbibinta po ng katawan na foul pero hindi po pinibili ng ating pong mga referee. So pinagbabawal din po yun kahit saan po natin tignan mga bagay. Bawal po talaga yung pagbibinta po ng katawan, lalo na po kung walang bumibili. 25.8 seconds to go. Parang ganun lang din po yung sa basketball. So last in the final free throw, number 22, Renin Taribe. Basketball count by Renin Taribe. Score 58-78. Last 24 seconds to go. So 1 second na pag-iutan ng shot clock at game clock mga kaibigan sa ating pong third quarter. Last 15 seconds on the game clock, 13 seconds on the shot clock. Conscious ako, ang batang maliit pero tigasin. We have only last 5 seconds on the shot clock. A three-pointer, good by Angel, good legal play, last 3 seconds. 2.7. Foul number 72. Holding foul by Joshua. Joshua Lapid, second personal foul. 2.7. Last 2.7 seconds to go. Sancho Bardossi. The score for another 58 and 78. So inayos na po ng ating timekeeper. So pagdating po sa oras, si Sir Kausig na pong bahala po dyan. Kaya sa mga tropa po nating mga kababaihan, kalalakihan na hindi po nabibigyan ng tamang time or tamang oras, so lapit na po kayo kay Sir Kausig dahil siya po yung magaling pong magbigay ng oras. Yung huli niya pong binigyan po ng oras, hanggang ngayon nagsasama pa po sila, hindi pa daw po umaalis. So last 2.7 seconds to go, natitirang oras sa ating pong basketball action for the third quarter of the game. Last 2.7. Last 2.7 number shot clock. 58-78. Testing lang po yun, testing lang po. So, testing lang po. Medyo nagloko lang, pero yung may hawak po ng timekeeper, hindi po yan nagloloko, mabait po yung tao. So, last 2.7 po natitira. So, testing lang po yun. Kumbaga sa ano, pre-sample. Yung pangalawa, yun na po, okay na po yun. So, 2.7, so magiging okay talaga to kasi na-receive lahat eh. 2.7 natitirang oras, sa score po natin is 58-78.
Sa GGB, dapat babalik na kanila.
Tignan natin kung ano magiging resulta sa loob ng 2 segundo na inbound play ng team ng Roseboy. Isang mabilis na takbo na nanggaling din kay Joshua, pero titignan natin kung sinong nakakahawak ng bola. Biglang tinapon, pero hindi sasabog kay Julius Naliana from Barangay Calatigas. So dyan po natatapos ang ating third quarter. The score po natin is 58-78. 20 points na po ang pamamaga ng team ng Roseboy laban sa team ng BCB Ekam Amber Bloods. So kung manalo po at magtuloy-tuloy ang magandang nilalaro ng team ng Roseboy, so mayroon pa tayong game 3 bukas. Yun pa rin ang pakbakan, do or die game na po yun ng Roseboy laban sa team ng BCB.